Hello and good morning. Let me start by saying I want to apologize for taking so long to get this done. Just had a little bit of a hectic week, and just want to apologize for that now. Um, okay, so I'm going to show you how to use the code that you'll be receiving, or any code if you're going to add a Mobile Monkey code. So this bot is going to represent a bot that I might be currently using on my website. Um, so we're going to go. And as you can see here, just like your bot, um, it's probably going to have, dialogues and stuff just like this bot. So see, this one has a bunch of content, and I'm going to want to get rid of this content because obviously this is no longer useful for me. Okay. So this is just like you could say my old bot. All right. So this is the bot that we're using. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to templates and find template by code and paste it here. And what we're going to want to do is you can either import it into your current chatbot or create a new chatbot. We're going to want to create a new chatbot. So we're going to give this bot a new chatbot. Installation. There we go. So we'll name it. And now just give it a few minutes to move everything over. And depending on how complex your bot is, it might take a few minutes. So just be patient. Okay, I'm going to pause so you don't have to wait through this. Okay, so that probably took about 5 minutes or so. Reference the clock here. So now that that's done, sometimes I see this glitch, so I'm happy it happened, where it will ask you, hey, where do you want to import it? If it loaded properly, it should already be done. So we're just going to exit out. And let's refresh our page. All right, and now that our chatbot's installed, we're going to notice here the chatbot that was here initially is called How to Add Your Template. And we just created a new bot called New Chatbot Template. So how do we now activate the new bot? Just going to go into settings. Okay. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to find your new bot. Now I have a ton of bots in here because I build them, but you're only going to have your initial bot and then the new bot that you just activated if this is done correctly. I've just got a lot of drafts and things that I'm working on currently. So just like we were seeing, here's how to add your template. It's the one we're currently on, and new chatbot installation. So let's go ahead and activate our new bot. And we're going to go ahead and connect it. And now we go here into chat flows. Apologize for that. Not only do you have to activate it, like we did, but you're also going to have to click it to open it. Sorry about that. Fantastic. Give it a quick look. Okay, all of our new data is here. Perfect. Where it says looking for welcome message. Let's go ahead and click that. It says welcome. Go ahead and test it all out. And then from here, just test it and make it works. We've already done this on this particular bot, but there are known issues when having a large bot getting transferred over. We've already tested this and tested it after a transfer, and it worked just fine. Let's give that a few seconds to load. Fantastic. And here we go. Now we can test our bot out. This would be our welcome message. Exactly how we wanted it. Beautiful. Go through and click around, make sure everything works. And if you did purchase the bot from us, like in this case they did, call us. And we will be glad to help you with any questions whatsoever. Our day support staff from noon till 8 p.m. is very well trained in Mobile Monkey. So any questions, that's the best time to come in for any issues. You can always call, email 407-558-2789, 407-558-CRUZ, CRUZ. Thank you so much, and you have a great one. Take care.